As realtors here in Birmingham, Alabama, Mary Jo and I see beautiful homes every day. But there's always one room that gets neglected and gets left out: the garage. We're here today at the great, beautiful showroom for garage living here in Birmingham, Alabama, to learn all we can about this fantastic organization. We want to teach everybody a lot of stuff, see everything that's available that this company can do. So stay tuned.
Clay, welcome. I'm so glad to see you.
Thanks for being here.
Like, I hear that you have very high-end luxury cabinets. What is the material that you make your cabinets out of?
It's a 18 gauge steel and it's powder coated, but the design is the highest tier and we can customize it to a lot of different looks for people, and it has the most options as well.
This is very dense.
Very dense, very sturdy, right? So all of our cabinets are bolted to the wall into the studs with lag bolts. So this stuff is not going anywhere. I mean, I can hang on that. It's very sturdy.
One thing that impresses me is it seems like this garage would grow with your family. So when you have little bitties and I want you to show us the bike racks and all that, and then they outgrow those, you kind of take that slat system and can do different things with it. Like,
so with our slat wall system, you can put all different types of accessories on here to hang and store items on the wall. So for instance, okay, the steady rack right here is really good for storing your bikes. You can save a lot of room that way. We have a lot of options for heavier storage. You can store a lot of machinery on here: chainsaws, weed eaters, shoe shelves, and then shelving for, you know, light to mid-grade weight stuff.
All these have tabs on them. They just pop out and you can just shift them anywhere you would like.
These are some pretty cool lights. Will you tell us about these?
Yeah.
The lights are really cool, super bright, a lot better than your fluorescent lights, you know, in the your typical garage space.
is this LED or fluorescent?
These are LEDs,
Yeah.
LED lights. And yeah, we can install these. We can install a different number of configurations. So
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And tell us about the floors. I take it that's not just paint.
it's definitely not. So one of the biggest factors about this paint is you got to prep it properly. We have a base coat system. It's all polyaspartic, and it's 3 layers: the base coat, and then the flake, and then the top coat. It's going to last a long time. We have a 15-year warranty on our floor, and it's going to last a lot longer than that.
Clay, tell us what you think the biggest advantage is over somebody doing their own garage and you doing a garage living custom design.
As our quality of the product and our installer team. Our guys have been doing this for many years. They're experts. They know how to shift. They can shift the electrical around. We can put the electrical embedded in one of these systems where, you know, we've got you know, a light bar that can be installed and people can plug in everything they need. And also it's something too that with the quality, it's going to last a lifetime. So you can pass this down to your kids, your grandkids. The quality is just, you're not going to find anywhere else.
If you're limited on space or you're a car enthusiast, this might be the perfect solution for you.
Remember, when you're thinking about upgrading your garage, you're not just talking about doing something for the future. You want to be able to enjoy it yourself right now. There's very few things that you're going to do to your home that are going to bring the amount of pleasure and increased value as doing something with your garage. Clay, thank you so much for letting us come by
Absolutely.
here today.
Thanks for coming
over. It
over.
was a pleasure. You've got a wonderful facility here. Birmingham, you need to get over here and you need to check this out. Until next time, take care of yourself.